Nopea is a CO2 emission-free taxi hailing service that is based on electric vehicles, so being Uber but doing it ecologically. We launched in Kenya. Pollution here is quite bad, and we saw that there's a big business opportunity and also to do some good for the environment. When the drivers do not need to pay for gasoline, they will actually make 30 to 50% more than they did with Uber or Taxify. So we offer low prices for the passengers. Drivers actually make living, and it's good for the environment. It makes sense for everybody. We believe that Nopea can do it differently. We want to be eco-Uber.